Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So before we get into our unboxing video, I just want to take the time and give a huge shout out, a huge thank you to our subscribers. Right now we are pushing like 150 subscribers, so we want to say thank you guys so very much. Like, we really appreciate it. When we started this channel, I wasn't even expecting 5 to 10 followers. I was expecting all of our closest, family and friends to follow us or subscribe to the channel, and that was it. And it's growing. Of course, we're networking, but we are still growing, and it's really exciting. So we want to say thank you again. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. We definitely will keep the content coming. We'll keep the videos coming. We have some ideas for some stuff that we want to do for you guys. But if you guys have any ideas for videos, definitely let us know. Leave your suggestions down below. If you guys haven't subscribed, or if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up on this video. And yeah, thank you. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into Drayden's unboxing video. Let's go.
My package just came.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wait, I want to say something.
Yes.
So YouTube, this is the best dance in the world.
Space like it does.
Nope, just type in the numbers. Trying to get his phone activated now. I didn't know it was coming with a SIM card. I thought we were gonna have to purchase a SIM card. I think we may.